is a perfect rhythm. Perfect rhythm. Wow.
Are we looking soon?
Halfway.
50% left. 50% left.
What are you thinking about now? give you more energy.
I'm just thinking about building muscle.
When you think about her, then you have more energy. Okay, faster.
Okay. Chef, okay, chef.
You can competition. Ah, okay.
Oh.
Go faster.
Début ça allait, après un peu le vent
Yeah, you can switch your arms. Switch your arms.
Make sure you don't touch your face.
I'll wash your hand first.
We have more
It's gonna be painful.
Why not doing it?
Chilies and
That's why we have to help each other.
Yeah.
We're not far off there, too.
No secret
around
skin.
like 70%.
70%.
Okay, 30 left. Wow. You have to prove yourself again.
Strong table. You have to
Strong
get
table. Yeah, but we have to put it this area, make more stable. You see? Okay, excuse me. You can move in here. You can move here, and you can smash again. Yeah, it's not stable. Okay, you can back to. Yeah, need to put it.
Yeah. Okay. So just to show that it's not stable. I know.
Want to try the red one? Want to taste? Taste. Want to try?
I know.
Yeah, not too bad.
Okay, go to prove yourself. You can try it.
Slip it off my finger.
Burning the tongue. Taste it.
Fresh. Okay. For the
Oh.
red, we're gonna separate from cow soy.
This looks so different.
I finished.
Okay.
That's done.
Yeah, well done, Team Red. Yay!
They did have fun.
But not within Penang yet.
That's fine for us. Well, our different chilies, I think it's meant to be the same. Yours was dry, ours
Who
was
make
boiled.
Penang one? Penang team.